Hi, Kenny. We're here with Chris Ryan from Lynxspring, man. And I tell you what, this guy, among other things, survives working with Mark Patak. So, our buddy, our brother from another mother. But hey, Chris, man, thanks for taking a few minutes to speak with us.
Thank you so much for having me. It's been exciting here to be at the Niagara Summit. It's my first time attending as a customer. I've been here with Tritium in the past, but this has been really exciting to see some of the new stuff coming out.
A lot of new stuff, and one of the themes we're hearing over and over is the cloud to the edge. And I think one of the really cool things about Lynxspring, and now we'll say something nice about Mark. I think Mark really has his ear to what the customers, as well as Lynxspring, what the customers are asking for. And here they're talking, a cloud to edge, and you guys got edge products.
Oh yes, sir, absolutely. We started about 4 years ago. We saw the trend moving down to the edge and up to the cloud. So we've got some great new products here that we've been showing off at the summit.
Very cool.
Well, Chris, I just wanted to congratulate again that you were a young gun, and people don't realize how young you are because you're so astute and so well versed in this world that we're in. You just recently released a couple of products. How are they going to improve the tech? I mean, this new technology, and what exactly does it do?
It enables us to take the intelligence down to the edge, down to the control, to the sensor level, the thermostat level. We all know Niagara, we love Niagara, that's why we're here, but sometimes it's a little too robust for those niche markets like C-stores or equipment controllers, and we're being able to bring that down to put that same level of intelligence directly on a chiller or an air handler, and one day maybe even a VAV.
Awesome.
Very cool. Well, Chris is also one of our Globetrotters. Lynxspring is around the world. You want a special shout out to Samir Prada in India?
Oh yes, I wanted to the entire CICC team out in India. I got to go to the ACRIC show earlier this year. They're wonderful. Thanks guys, can't wait to see you again.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Well listen, you mind showing some of your edge products?
Oh, I'd love to, it would be my pleasure. So here's our entire line of products that we're offering right now, not including some of the Niagara stuff. And I'm not going to bore you with some of the edge products that we've talked about before. Lots of information on our website. But these are the two big products that we have that we're recently releasing. We just finished porting Niagara onto our Onyx hardware. This is running Niagara AX 3.8 in the Lynxspring hardware with a Linux core. So it's an extremely powerful controller. We are limiting it with the licenses so that we can fit in that niche market I mentioned as far as C-stores, equipment controllers. Extremely powerful controller in a small box at a great price point. We're waiting to release that. Tritium is in the process of approving it, so we hope to be actually having that in production at the end of this month. The next product I have here, it's a 3D model, so it's not as pretty as some of the other ones. It is our I/O controller. When the PC8000 was released by Tritium and there was no I/O, our customers asked us for I/O. So we have, similar to what you're used to in the IO34, same number of inputs and outputs. It currently communicates out via BACnet, MSTP, or IP, and we're going to be able to chain multiple devices together using the CAN bus protocol. If you're not familiar with CAN bus, it's actually what's running in your car. Extremely lightweight, very reliable, and it's self-healing as well, so it's a great protocol. But the real power that we're going to see here is that we're going to take the Niagara portability and put it right on this controller as well. It's the same hardware with a different daughter board. It's going to make it very easy for us. So you're going to have an embedded Niagara I/O controller, and we're going to be able to chain about 8 of these simple I/O off the smart I/O in order to get you about 274 points of I/O. So this product is currently in development. We expect to be in beta by June or July, and hopefully releasing by the end of the summer. So we're really excited about that, and can't wait to share that with the rest of the marketplace.
Hey man, Chris, that stuff is just amazing, absolutely awesome. Should they just all come buy it from Stromquist or DMS Controls Group, or what's the best way for them to get more information about it?
Well, we'd love for them to buy it from you, but I don't know how much you're going to mark it up, so I'm giving you guys a hard time. No, go to lynxspring.com. We've actually got our e-commerce site set up. You don't even have to be a Lynxspring business partner to start buying our edge products.
You can go have your lunch now.
Smart.